Good morning or evening, boys and girls. I'm going to go over Thursday's lesson plans. So when you log into It's Learning, of course, it will look like this. You're going to scroll down. You can either click right here, Show More, or you can go right here, this Plans button, whichever you would like to do. So we're going to go to Thursday, 4/16. And we get on down there. Here we go. As you know, Pathways have changed today, so make sure you pay close attention to this. We will have a class meeting at 3 today. Excuse me, get the hiccups. So let's look right here. Parents, don't forget there's info for you down here. Let's look at kindergarten first. Kindergarten, when yours loads, you are going to go to math, you're going to go to iReady, and you're going to click the lighter or heavier button. You're going to count by ones and, excuse me, and by tens to 100. And I included some songs there for you if you need help. You are going to watch the frog video because you are still finishing up about living and non-living and some animals. So you can click this link, or I have the directions right here for you. Make sure you take the easy quiz because that will send me the grade. And the most important part for Thursday's lessons are mindfulness. I do need you to complete this. You're going to complete the diary card. Your parents will need to help you. And then parents, I need you to fill out this IP and objective progress report that we have done in the past. So that is it for Thursday. Remember, Friday is a catch-up day. So let's go back for second grade. Second grade today, I'm going to scroll on down. I know it's kind of fast. All right, I'm going to go right here to resources. Second grade, you are going to do Pearson 11.3. Don't forget to hit that turn in button. You're going to do the same thing, the mindfulness. Make sure you complete the diary card, and your parents need to fill out this IP goals and objectives. And last but not least, just read for 30 minutes and finish up your outwriting. I know that's taken a couple days, so you have today, which is Thursday, you have Friday. I do need it completed by Friday. Remember, do not forget to share it with me. So second grade, you do not have that much work because I really want that writing done. So, and that is it for today, boys and girls. Don't forget that at 3 o'clock we will have a meeting. I will send you a message right here in your messages for the link, and I will also make sure it is posted, ready to go by about 2:45 down on today's comments, okay? So, I hope you guys have a great day. Let me know if you need any help. Remember, no schoolwork on Friday except for catch up. I need all your work turned in. So let me know if you need help. Have a great day.